Hello children, myself Hindu means your maths teacher. We are starting new exercise 11.3. So this is related to circle and its circumference and area. So first you have to by heart that too. What is circumference? Circumference you know, that is perimeter only, length of the boundary. In the case of circle, instead of perimeter we are using this word circumference. Actually meaning is perimeter, the total length of that curve. Okay, so circumference, the distance around a circular region is known as its circumference. So two formula is there to find out the circumference. If radius is given, so you can use 2 pi r. If diameter is given, then pi d, because look here, 2r, 2 is the radians means diameter only. So any one formula you can use depend on the question. If radius is given, 2 pi r we are using. If diameter is given, pi d we are using to find out the circumference. You know this is pi, pi, and its value also you know 22 upon 7, otherwise 3.14. When you are dividing 22 by 7, it is going on. So two decimal place we are round off and its value, any one value. If any particular value is given in the question, we have to use that value. If nothing is mentioned, so any one value you can use depend on the question. Now another is area. How to find out the area of a circle. So its formula is pi r square. So these two formulas for finding the circumference of a circle, what is the formula? Pi d, otherwise 2 pi r. For finding the area of a circle, pi r square. Okay, here r square, area always multiplication of two measures coming here, radius. And r means radius, you know, and you know the value of pi also, 22 upon 7, otherwise 3.14. Now we are starting exercise 11.3. First question, find the circumference. Its radius. First question, radius is given 14 centimeters. So radius, so finding the circumference, we can use the formula 2 pi r. 2 into 20 pi, the value of pi is 22 upon 7 into 14. This you can divide like this, 7 2s are 14. So 2 into 22 into 2 centimeter, that is final answer is 88 centimeter. So what is the circumference in the first question? 88. Now second question, here radius is given 28 millimeter. The same way, circumference means 2 pi r. You have to write down the formula. Substitute the values. Pi is 22 upon 7 and r is 28 millimeter here. This also we can divide like this. 7 4s are 28. Okay, 7 4s are 28. So 2 into 22 into 4 millimeter. So when we are multiplying, we are getting it 176 millimeter. And question number C is homework. Now question number 2. Find the area of the following circle. In question A, radius is given 14 millimeter. So for finding the area, we have to write down the formula, that is pi r square. So pi, the value of pi you know 22 upon 7. R is 14 millimeter. So r square is there. So 14 millimeter into 14 millimeter. Here this you can simplify by 7. 7 2s are, that is why 22 into 2 millimeter into 14 millimeter. So when we are multiplying, it is getting 616 millimeter square. Millimeter into millimeter, that is millimeter square. Now question B, diameter is given. If diameter is given, circumference you can find out directly, but area you cannot find. First we have to find the radius. Okay, formula for finding the area of a circle is pi r square. R we want. So radius, how can we find out? Diameter. Divide by 2. You know radius means half of the diameter. So 49 upon 2. Okay, so you can keep it like this, or otherwise you can write the value of that. Now you substitute that formula. Area is equal to pi r square. So 22 upon 7 into r is 49 upon 2 meter into 49 upon 2 meter. So in that, what you can simplify like this. 7 sevens are 49, 2 11s are 22. So that is why 11 into 7 meter into 49 upon 2 meter. So when we are multiplying and dividing by 2, we will get the answer 1886.5 meter square. Here also question number C, homework.